After completing the operation, it is important to thoroughly clean the spraying system. Additionally, the surface of the drone should be wiped clean, with special attention given to cleaning the propellers, motors, ESCs, and battery distribution board. In case the power distribution board is dirty, it is recommended to use 95% alcohol for a deep and effective cleaning. For regular transportation, it is essential to ensure the drone is securely strapped after loading. Avoid forcefully jerking the propellers to one side, as this may result in potential damage. The primary purpose of agricultural drones is to facilitate agricultural production. It is strictly prohibited to employ these drones for any other purposes. Additionally, it is crucial to refrain from attaching heavy objects beneath the drones during operation, as this can lead to abnormal radar height holding. In extreme cases, such actions can result in instability and even the unfortunate event of a crash. It is strictly forbidden to engage in any form of crewed or modified drone operation, and please note that warranty service will not be provided for modified drones.